Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Outback. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touch screen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Take the go anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.